My dream, I guess you could say my dream is just getting started.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring it better, bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my eminent bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent.
That shit was a fucking movie.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it.
What's going on, boys? We out here at the lot today. I'm bringing this video to tell you what my dreams are and what I am kind of trying to aim for in the next, I don't know, I would say probably about 5 years. My dream of what I want to do is I just want to make YouTube videos. This is the only thing that's felt right so far to me. Just writing, filming, editing, posting it. I just enjoy it, and it's the only thing that I seem to feel right doing. Like, I have a normal day job right now, but it's just, I've strived to get to the point of where I am in it. And I've realized after working so hard to get to where I am, I don't love what I do. I kind of just do it so that way I can afford doing this stuff. My dream is eventually to get to a point where I don't have to have a normal day job. I could just do this full time and make content for YouTube and for all of my future subscribers. I want to work for it. I don't want to just hand it to me. I want to actually show that I earned it. So this is the part where it's more of a message to me, and that is, don't give up. I want to do this forever. You might not be getting the views that you hope for, but just keep going. Eventually you'll get to that point where the views come in and it'll be what you want. But for now, you just gotta work, get through it. It'll be worth it. All of this is going to be worth it. So let's go over the things that are what I want to do with this channel. I obviously want to do bike stuff, and clearly my main thing with bikes is stunt riding. I want to eventually get to the point where I move to Texas and ride year round, because the weather here isn't the best for riding during the winter. I kind of just suck it up, because what else am I going to do around here? Another thing I want to do with this channel is I want to take you through all the adventures that I go through. Whether that be the group rides, or the times I spend with the boys. I want to eventually get to the point where it's just all I do is can entertain. This is my dream. This right here, this bike, this feeling of just being free and riding, that is my dream, and I will do anything to work towards it. And if you have a dream out there, you're gonna need to work towards it. It's not gonna just get handed to you, and I urge you to please chase that dream. This is the first time I'm actually doing this myself. And I think it's just because I found the one thing that helps me actually want to chase this dream, and that's stunt riding. As well as I also now have the group of people that are willing to back me on this dream. This goal for the next 5 years is going to be to give this dream everything I've got. I want to be like the guys that you probably all grew up watching just like I did, like Brian636, Jixabra, Fooligan, Grommy Bear, all of those guys. This isn't meant to be a sad video. I understand that it sounds really sad and all that. It's more or less just I'm trying to explain what I want to do with this, and that I'm not just, I don't know, I'm not making videos just to you know, do it as a random thing on the side. Like, I want to put the effort into it and show that I am wanting to do YouTube. I want to show that this is the life that I'm aiming for, and it's not just some random thing that people do as like a side hobby, and I actually want to work towards it. I've got tons of ideas of different stuff I'm trying to do with this channel too. Like, I am planning on going to Lean Back, the next Lean Back that's coming up. I am planning on going to Ride of the Legends at some point. I'm planning on going to lots of different places. It's just right now it's a slow process, especially with it being winter. It makes it kind of hard to find those kind of rides to show off right now. Another thing I want to do with this channel though is show my progression in stunt riding. I want to eventually get a big bike so that way I can actually hit the freeways and not just be stuck only riding city roads. Yeah, but essentially I'm making this video just kind of say that I am going for it. And I will be putting my heart and soul into this. This is not going to be a just slacked off dream. This is going to be a I'm going for the dream. And I'm not going to half-ass it. This is a full throttle into it. And hopefully I can look back at this video in 5 years, make fun of how shitty I am on the mic and the camera, and just say I came a long way and it was worth every second of it. Well, while I'm at this point, might as well show off the new addition to the Gromski. She's got pink grip tape now. I did the pegs and the stop plate. I even spent the time to carve this out. It was a pain in the butt doing that. But yeah, it's starting to look really good. I just needed the rear sets, the seat, and a light bar. I would like to be somewhat street legal, so the light bar would be nice to have. And yeah, it would be pretty much the dream bike after that. I might paint the wheels white. Don't know yet. Working on that. And I might go to an actual Brembo instead of this cheap handbrake. I do like the 0304 front brake front brake caliper for the handbrake. That is kind of nice. Yes, it's the cheapest setup you can do, but it works pretty damn good for being $250 for everything said and done. Eventually I'll get a nice setup, but for now this works great and it was cheap, so I can't really complain. But yeah, that's essentially it. I just wanted to send a message to myself as well as talk about what the dream is for this, and I hope you guys watching this want to stick around and follow me through this dream and see maybe if it's a dream you want to pursue. But yeah, thanks, bye.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world.